This is the definition of the truth table. As you can see, it is a diagram which shows the variation of outputs with all possible combination of input. Okay, this is actually electrical definition, and diagram in rows and columns showing how the truth or falsity of a proposition varies with that of its component is a mathematical definition. So proposition as an expression. Okay, so if there is any Boolean expression and you want to check that what is the input and output, then you can draw a table. So like in maths, what do? We draw a graph, right? We draw a graph to see the variation of x with respect to y. The same very way we can draw a truth table. So first of all, you have to draw a table. So you draw a line. On this side you write output, and on this side you write input. Now suppose you have right now two Boolean variable. Then I write the Boolean variable. Okay, and this is now I have drawn. Right now I have assumed two Boolean variable. Now what are Boolean variable? We know Boolean variable can have only two values, and that is 0 and 1. So we have to write every possible combination of 0 and 1 here. So this is a trick. First 0, 1, 0, 1 I have written alternatively, and then 0, 0, 1, 1 I have written alternatively. As you can see, I have 4 combinations: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and each combination is unique and not repeating. So now I can have output for each of the inputs. This is truth table. Now if I have 2 inputs, then total combination of inputs I have is 4. You can also count 1, 2, 3, 4. But what if I have 3 inputs or maybe 4? So for 2 inputs you have 4 combinations. Now for n inputs you will have 2 raised to the power n combination. For example, if my n is equal to 3, then total combinations becomes 2 raised to the 3. What it is? It is 8. Now if I have A, B and C, then I again perform the very same trick I had told you earlier to achieve all the possible combinations. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 combinations I have, and they are totally unique. Not one of them is repeating. You can ask me that here you were alternating in 1, 1, and here you are alternating at 2, 2 distance, and here you are alternating at an interval of 4. You alternate at a distance of 1, then 2, then 4, and then 8. So if you have n equal to 4, your combinations will become 2 raised to the power 4. And suppose you have these 4 variables, you again continue 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. And I am telling you, for this variable it will have how many times 0? 8 times, right? And how many times 1? 8 times. And the rest of the things remain same. We will continue to do this. Here 4 times 0 and 4 times 1. Okay, so this is how we are right now deciding input, and this is the way we write input combinations. I hope you liked the information I have provided. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.